In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop Workspaces effectively. Whether you're collaborating on a team project or organizing your personal tasks, Microsoft Loop provides a flexible digital space to streamline your workflow. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up and using these workspaces. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Loop. Once you're in, one of the first things you'll notice is the option to create a new workspace. This is where your project or collaboration begins. Simply click on the button labeled New Workspace. Here you can get creative. Enter a name for your workspace that reflects the project's content or purpose. Assign an emoji or an icon to it. This not only adds a personal touch, but also helps in visually distinguishing between multiple workspaces. There's also an option to set a cover image, which is optional but can add a splash of color and character to your workspace. Now that your workspace is set up, it's time to populate it with pages. Inside your workspace, click on New Page. Think of these pages like sections or chapters of your project, a way to divide and conquer different aspects or topics. For instance, you might create separate pages for each phase of a project or different subject matters if you're handling multiple topics within the same workspace. One essential component you might want to add is a task list. Organizing tasks effectively is key to successful project management. Within your newly created page, begin typing "wash task list." This command will automatically generate a task list format, enabling you to efficiently track your to-dos and monitor progress. In addition to task lists, tables can be incredibly useful for organizing data or information in a structured manner. Simply type "Worcesters table" in your page, and you'll instantly get a table setup where you can record, compare, and keep track of your project details, schedules, or any relevant data points. For those of you who enjoy ticking things off a list, creating a checklist is a great way to visually mark completion. To make a checklist, type #checklist directly within your page. This feature allows you to list items that need to be completed, and as you progress, check them off one by one. It's a simple yet satisfying way to manage your responsibilities. By setting up workspaces with these elements in Microsoft Loop, you are setting a solid foundation for better organization and enhanced productivity. This tool allows you to tailor the workspace to fit your specific needs, whether at work, school,